to my channel. This is a completely spur of the moment kind of thing. I was just putting this together and I was like, you know what? I might as well share it with y'all. As you can see, I was trying to make a tortilla, but it is a flatbread with a little bit of onion spice. And I'm going to do this in real time because it's that quick. I put the tortilla thing in there. I'm going to go grab my Parmesan cheese, which is already pre-shredded. I buy it from Costco. I'm going to take the cheese, and I'm going to drizzle it on top like so. I'm going to grab a couple of spices, and I'm going to broil it in the oven. A bit of Italian seasoning, which is already in the shrimp scampi, but I wanted some on the bread. I'm going to add some thyme. Just, when I say some, it's usually less than a teaspoon, like a half a teaspoon. I never ever give measurements in my recipes because I feel like everybody's taste buds are different, and you might like more red pepper flakes than I do. So red pepper flakes really bring out the shrimp scampi flavor. It's really common in a lot of recipes, and I omitted it from my last one, so I'm actually going to put it in the bread. And I just love the way that thyme tastes on flatbread with some cheese, so I'm hoping that this is going to be magical. This is just me trying to make something out of nothing. I'm going to put it in my little mini convection oven on the broil setting for 10 minutes. I clearly need a new convection oven and a new dish, but they still work, and I don't want to spend money if I don't have to. Sorry for like the blur. So I switched it to broil, which just means that the heat's going to be on top and it's going to melt the cheese on. I might not actually cook it for 10 total minutes, but it does take that long to like actually heat in here. I'm going to just watch the cheese and see when it melts. This one, as you can see, it's steaming off and it's kind of evaporating all of that liquid, but it's also cooking it. I hope I'm actually getting this in the frame. It's actually cooking it into the shrimp as well. So as you can see, the full 10 minutes is not up, but it is finished. So I'm going to Blair Witch Project this. Grab this, don't burn yourself. Grab a little trivet. My dad makes these, they're the best thing ever. And this, and then this. See, check it out. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, now the foil is not necessary. It's just on there to be aesthetically pleasing. I have a very old mini convection oven. I have a very old gross pan that's got like crazy stuff burned on it. It is clean, but for the sake of the video, I covered it up. I actually try not to cook on foil for the sake of not eating metal, and aluminum foil is not good for you. So try not to cook with that. And then, you know, hang on to your oven mitt, like so. So I'm actually going to show you just how I do it, and I'll just take a bite. If I had fresh, I would use it. I don't have fresh, so I'm not going to use it. So a little bit of parsley on top. Yeah. And we should be good to go. Let's see if this is good. It came out really good. I'm going to go eat now. Oh, that little bit of red pepper flake just has a little bit of kick. So perfect. So good. And the bread tastes just like a flatbread at a super fancy restaurant with like, so good. So good, you guys. You don't even know. All right, comment below with what you want to see next. If you have any questions about this recipe or I accidentally left stuff out, always ask questions. I will get back to you. I gotta stop saying I'm working on that. There's other, oh yeah, subscribe for weekly videos, share with your friends and other foodies, hit the bell. There's too much to do on YouTube, so I'm just going to cut to the credits and you guys can click on my other videos because I got some good stuff. See you next time. No, cricket. It's good. You can't have any. I know. Almonds are bad for doggies. And you can't have them. I'm sorry. I already gave you bacon and a whole egg today. I love you. But no.